Hey cousins, here we are working on an NC750x 2021 and gonna put a new chain on here. So what I did is I marked out this link. Ooh, get my finger in here. And then I rolled the chain around, counted 57. So I've got the number, 57 links. I come over here to the brand new chain, got laid out for us, and then do the same thing, counted 57. I think I did it like 3 times. So then I'll go through and I'll grind this nub off here and slip the chain out. And then this one will be ready. I'll do the same with the chain on the motorcycle and cut that nub off so we can slide it out. Some other things, here's the tools that I've got, but to get the chain guard off, it's a number 5mm, and then the brass hammer is just what I had. You don't need a brass hammer necessarily, and then a screwdriver to pop that length once you grind it off. So we'll go back to the bike. Already ground it, and I popped it off. Right, just put the screwdriver right in between there, pops it out. It will look like this when you first do it, and then you put that screwdriver in there, pop the face off, and you can slide the back side out. Alright, so then it just pops off, O-rings pops off, got these extra here, and just like that. Of course, we'll go in from the back side when we go put it on the bike, but that's what that looks like. Now I've got my chain laid out there, and then if you have already you're to this point, then obviously you have put and tensioned up these, so you're going to need to release basically retract and set this back to your shorter settings. So you need a 27mm to break the nut loose, and then these are one's a 12 and a 14, I believe. Now I've loosened up the main nut, loosened up my adjustment for this. Oh, good night. It's been a few hours up already. So then what I did is got the new chain, got the old chain, and I used the old zip tie trick, and just ran it through that drive sprocket onto this, and then put the chain back together, right? So there we are so far. Okay, so I put the two halves here. I have opened up the packet of O-rings. Got the O-rings on here. And then let me see here. Focus. Not gonna focus. Alright. So then we'll take, I've lost one hand to the camera. Anyway, cousins, I think you get the idea here. There we go. Okay. So that slides through. Put the two other O-rings on. And we'll put the link. So I'm going to have to get my other hand back here. Okay, so I had to use my fancy grips here to push that together and then put this clip on. You want the back side of the clip facing the direction of travel. Okay, so this side goes to the direction of travel, and this side here goes against it. So that is pretty much all I have to say about today. I hope that's helpful, and God bless you. Bye.